Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about a nice way to make money online just by using free tools. And I promise you, after this video, you're gonna be a successful and skillful transcriptionist without any previous experience. And transcription means you can transcribe any audio content in any video file in any audio file. In other words, you can convert speech into text or a written form. And for sure, this high-class job would make you earn hundreds and thousands of dollars per month. And now let me show you and introduce you to the amazing website that you would work for. That is GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript.com. And the GoTranscript is one of the well-known platforms that provide transcription and caption generating services. Okay. So now in this website, we will work as a transcriptionist, okay? How to do that? Simply, all you have to do is just go all the way to the bottom, okay? To reach this section for transcriptionists. And just click over that, work, okay? And here you will find transcription jobs available worldwide, okay? And here you can earn $150 per month or even higher to reach $1,000 a month, as you see here, okay? Okay, and of course, this job available for everyone worldwide, okay? So you can apply now. Simply click over that and select your language, English, perfectly. And here you can create your account. So I am using today a temporary email like that. Copy, paste. So good so far. Sign up. And here you have to pass this test, okay? So please follow me and to know how to answer these questions properly. So the first question, what do you have to do when a person agrees on something by saying yup or okay, clean verbatim? So you have to select this one, okay, to be more clarified for yes, okay. The second question, slang words or spoken contractions in clean verbatim. Spoken contractions, the way it is said. Third one, I have two forms, this one and this answer, A and B. And for the fourth question, the basic rules, A and the C option. The question number 5, guidelines, both of them, as you see. Question number 6, the first option, okay. The question 7, the first option, okay. 6 and 11 o'clock, as you see. Number 8, as for punctuation, the option P, the capital of Lithuania, as you see. The question number 9, I adore you and your smile. And for the last question, you have to make a bold word for speaker, this one, okay, and colon. So confirm perfectly.
This audio is.
And now we have passed the first test, okay. Now you have to transcribe this audio file, okay. So you have to download this one, download perfectly. Then you have to go to this awesome website that is called AuthorUI. AuthorUI. Here in this fabulous website, just you can transcribe any audio file or any video file just in few seconds and for free. So if we have a look at pricing plans on AuthorUI, here you will find a basic plan, okay, as you see, free forever without any cost on you. So here, try Author for free. Okay, copy, create account, password, next, perfectly, Raymond Sapri, next, verification, back our inbox, fresh, confirm, how do you plan to use Author? Transcribe files, next, okay. And now we are on the dashboard of your account on AuthorUI, okay, perfectly. So go to import and upload your audio file that you have downloaded from GoTranscript, browse file, upload it now. It's transcribing now. Then go to GoTranscript, not now. As you see here, your audio file was transcribed, okay.
This audio is used for the audio test for transcribers who want to work at GoTranscript.
What are the best things about working at Innitrode? Well, let me think.
As you see here,
Well,
an accurate transcription
with another question.
with accurate punctuation.
Why do you care? I mean,
Perfectly, okay. And how to export this transcription, okay. Just go to these three dots, click over this, export, and there you have some options: text or clipboard, copy this text, PDF or SRT. So you can select this one, text, okay, and export. Perfectly, just open it as you see here. And now we have to copy this one, copy back to our GoTranscript test. As you see,
Audio is used for the audio.
and as for clean verbatim, okay, you have to remove this timestamps like this one.
The audio test for
You can make it
transcribers who
bold.
want to work at GoTranscript.
what are
Okay, and you have to break down this huge paragraph into some small paragraphs to be more readable. And for sure, don't forget to identify these speakers, like speaker 1, speaker 2, okay.
got enough food, clean,
And when you are done with your transcription, okay,
100%.
just send it for review. Unfortunately, these questions on GoTranscript tests are changed daily, so you can search for these answers on Google, okay? And therefore, you can transcribe any audio file, any video file by AuthorUI. And I have talked about in a previous video how to transcribe any video, any song in audio file just with free tools, including AuthorUI. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And by this way, you can apply for some platform as a freelancer in Fiverr.com, Upwork, freelance, or working as a transcriptionist in some platforms like GoTranscript, like TranscribeMe, Rev.com, HappyScribe, and so on and so forth, to earn hundreds and $1,000 just by using free tools. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.